Hey guys, so you're probably wondering who I am because it's been almost a year since I posted my last video, or you just don't know who I am in general. Probably wondering why I look like this as well. Well, my name's Nikita and I make YouTube videos once a year. No, not really, but yeah, I don't really know what to say other than I'm here to film a how to get rid of your acne scars at home video. It's been a while since I've talked in front of a camera, so I feel a little bit weird. And as to the reason why I look like this, if you don't already, you can follow my makeup Instagram account. It's at It's Nikita V, and I'm created like a festival Coachella kind of vibes. And I'm also rocking my bright orange camo sweater that I literally just got in the mail. Cool. Okay, well, aside from that awkward introduction, what I'm going to be talking to you about is the Banish skincare, Banish acne scars, the company itself, and the specific product that they sent me and the product that I've been using and I really like. So a little bit of the backstory about my own skin is I have super oily skin and very acne prone skin. Pretty much been dealing with acne my whole life. Pretty much what I'm dealing with is like scars and pigmentation from when I had more active breakouts, which is why this product that I'm going to be talking about is so great, because that's what it works on and that's what it's going to be targeting. So Banish, I feel like most people have heard about this company because it's pretty much all over YouTube and Instagram. It's a skincare line company. It was actually created by a fellow YouTuber. Her name is Daisy. She so I guess a little bit of backstory about the actual company itself. So it was created by a YouTuber named Daisy. She pretty much, same story, dealt with acne her whole life, and she wanted to find a solution that would help target people who had the same struggle as her. And so I made some notes because I don't want to get anything wrong, and I want to make sure that you guys have the proper information and I'm not just making stuff up. So the great thing about this company is actually it's vegan, cruelty free, all natural ingredients, and organic, which is awesome. So this is what the Banish starter kit looks like. So it comes with the derma roller. Comes in this box, like stored into this like clear case. It's not in here right now. I'm actually cleaning it in alcohol, so it tells you that you need to sanitize it or clean it or soak it for about 5 minutes in alcohol just to kill off any bacteria. Mine's probably been sitting in there for maybe like half an hour or so, just to be sure. It comes with a little clear container. Mine broke, so I'm just using like a little Tupperware container that's clear, clean obviously. They also sent me the activated charcoal clay mask and the Banish pumpkin enzyme mask. Honestly, these masks are amazing. They target, oh sorry, I also forgot to talk about the starter kit comes with the Banish oil, which is amazing. I really love this. But yeah, so I'm going to talk a little bit about the Banisher first, or the derma roller, because that's what I'm going to be demoing and showing you guys. It's so I'm going to read some of my points here. So basically the Banisher makes micro wounds in the skin. So they're like really small holes, and it's triggering the skin to heal, and it's repairing itself to build new collagen fibers. So it helps to reduce the appearance of scars. So then when you use the vitamin C, so it actually comes with a vitamin C serum. Mine broke, so I don't have that to talk about, but another one's going to be being sent, so I will definitely get to try it out and I'll let you know. But anyways, when you use the vitamin C serum and also like the Banish oil, so you're going to use the Banish oil after you do the derma roller, it's absorbed deeper into the skin because of the micro channels that the Banisher was able to create. And the serum contains vitamin C, and this actually speeds up collagen and also the scar fading process, and it doesn't contain any harmful ingredients, and that's my favorite part. All natural, great, or like vegan, cruelty free. So that's the best part for me, because like I obviously don't want to be using as many chemicals and stuff on my skin if I already have acne prone skin. That's just my personal preference. The Banisher is a great natural way to fade the appearance of acne scars. I've literally tried so many different things, and for me, like, because I'm not dealing with too much active breakouts, now I'm just dealing with a lot of the scars that were left over, and it's been a struggle. I've done this 3 times now, and I've noticed a difference, and the more you do it, obviously the more effective it's going to be as time goes on, which again, I will keep you updated on that process. These masks are incredible. Both of them target acne and scarring as well. I find that when I switch between the two. You can use them once a week. Sometimes I'll even target both at the same time. Pretty much they do a really good job of pulling out all the dirt and oils and the nasty stuff from under the skin. They're naturally and freshly made. They are shipped from the US, and they offer international shipping as well. I'm from Canada, so anything that has international shipping makes me happy. I'm gonna leave all information that I talked about in the bottom bar. I don't know how great my editing skills are, so like, I don't know if I'll be able to leave a link anywhere on this video or do any kind of fancy stuff like that. So if I don't, I'm gonna leave everything down below. So if you're interested, and if you're still around, and how to actually use the product, then just keep watching. I will be taking off my face. I'm gonna look like a completely different person, but I hope you don't mind. It's Nikita. I'm back. No, really, it's me. I know it's hard to believe. This is a close-up. Can you see that? Essentially, how you're going to do it is you're going to do it in one direction, where the area that you're trying to target, you're going to do about 4 to 5 times in the same area. So I'll show you just right here. And then it's really important that when you switch directions, so you're going to do multiple directions in the same area, you need to take it off the skin before doing it again, because otherwise you'll scratch the skin. Important to note that you shouldn't do any of the derma rolling over any active acne, because it will distribute that bacteria around the face, and you obviously don't want that. It's also best to work in small sections. Once you are done with the derma roller, so I did my whole face, you're going to re-sanitize it, keep it in, soak it in the alcohol for another 5 minutes before you store it back into the container. And you want to use the derma roller or the Banisher about 5, I think they said about 4 times before you have to replace it, just because you don't want the bacteria to build up and that go back into the skin. So once you're done with the Banisher, I apologize for saying derma roller the whole time, it's called the Banisher, with your Banish oil, and let it soak in. It's important to remember that you don't want to wear any makeup or anything on your face for the next 8 hours. For anyone that's actually made it this far, thank you so much for watching, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.